This video is a response video to the last video when I was burning the icicle. Let's get into the chemicals that's in our drinking water. All right, now this is called PFAS or white phosphorus or white phosphate. These are called forever chemicals, okay? It's in our atmosphere, okay? It's in everything that we use in our household, cleaning supplies, non-stick frying pans, man, you name it. This chemical is in everything. Thus, the phrase forever chemical, because it's always in our atmosphere. It's in our drinking water, and it's in everything. And I hope this brings clarity to your trails, all right, if you can read between the lines, all right? So when they go up and they pume those things, a white substance comes out, and that's your white phosphorus, okay? So it gets into your atmosphere, okay, and it's always there. So we're going to get into it. I got a video clip, and I want you to glean something from it. You know, if you look at up here, you might have to zoom in, but if you check those things out right there, you know, you'll see how it gets into our atmosphere and how it gets into the snow. That's the reason why I said don't let your children just pick up snow and eat it, or icicles, how we used to do back in the day, because I'm an 80s baby, all right? And we was able to do what we wanted to do because we was outside throwing snowballs and having fun. But you can't do that nowadays, all right? Because, you know, this is how it gets into your atmosphere. All right, guys. So please protect yourselves, protect your loved ones, spread this knowledge, okay? Because knowledge is power. When it goes up, comes back down, plants, animals, we use it, discard it again, it goes back up. Just look at the effects that it has on the human body, both men and women. And it also has an effect on your unborn children. I prepared a video. Check it out.
Rainwater everywhere, unsafe to drink due to forever chemicals, study says. The study in question looked at PFAS levels in rainwater around the world and found unsafe levels everywhere they tested. PFAS are a family of chemicals used in a wide variety of products due to their stain repellent and non-stick qualities. And they're known as forever chemicals because they don't really degrade in the environment and can cause harm to humans long after they've been disposed of. And the fact that they've been found in our rainwater is really concerning because our rainwater ultimately becomes our drinking water. One silver lining to this is that we have filtration technologies to absorb up to 95% of PFAS in drinking water, but those technologies aren't widely used. Also, both hemp and fungi have been shown to break down PFAS in the environment. So while this is really scary, it's important to remember that scientists are actively working on solutions, and there are two things that we as individuals can do to prevent this down the road. And that is to ask our elected officials to ban the use of PFAS in products, and to ask our state and local elected officials to install PFAS filtration technologies on water and wastewater infrastructure.
For the filtration system spoken about in the video, scientists are at 100% with the technology, and they're not available at all water treatment plants. So be mindful what you drink.